little more detail about the character palette because it's one of those things you don't use a lot, but when you need it, it's super powerful and really important. So it's easy to let the knowledge slip. So here we go. If you minimize it once you open it from the window, okay, character palette, it will minimize all the way down to just this. And when you click it, it'll pop up, and there you have all your tools. With the character palette, you have to have your text selected. So I'm going to need my text tool. Okay. I'm going to need my text tool. I'm going to need to unrosterize that text from a previous thing so that I can use my text tool. I had rasterized this to show how that works. That's why it was weird. Okay. So now I've selected that text, and reminder, the resolution looks crappy because I'm at 200%. So once I have that selected, I can make all these adjustments, and it's kind of hard to see this little side slider. You click on the thing, but you can adjust that way. You don't have to type. It's very tiny. You can play with little bits of thises and that's in here easily. That's space between lines, so that's not going to do anything for me. But I can stretch it, I can shrink it, I can stretch it and shrink it right and left. Okay. But note that this is spacing. Okay. All right. I can turn my bold, italic, all of these things on and off when it's selected. So that's the character palette. And once again, when I'm done with it, I can just hide it here. Okay. Then it's easy to get. Otherwise, I go to Window, go to Character to find it.